guys, welcome back to Mischief Maker TV. And today, as you can see by my list, I have to now send things out to you guys twice a week. Wow, it's not even like sunny today, but I'm having trouble opening my eyes. Whoa. So I'm out here. I have my water. I have one tote. The other tote is inside. I've organized everything in there, and I'm just grabbing stuff for you guys. Again, thank you so much for ordering. There's so much support in this community. It's wild to me. It is wild. I'm actually wearing today a Woman Wheelers OG. They do not come in white anymore, I'm afraid, but I find this in the back of my pile of clothes, so thought that I would represent today. So I'm just out here. I don't think I'm gonna take a video of me just looking orders out because I have done that before, and I don't want to bore you guys. So I'm gonna get to it, and I'll come back to you when I'm in the car and on the way. All right, I am in the truck. I'm in Mr. Taco today, and I am heading to drop the garbage off and headed to the post office. You guys are just being incredible. I think I'm gonna have to go twice a week because I don't want you guys waiting forever to get your stuff. So I'm heading on there just now. I had about 4 hours sleep last night, which has been better than the other nights. But I'm pretty excited about today because Walter and I have decided to stay in a hotel tonight. Yes, that's right. The Sundowner is incredible. You have your own bathroom, it's really spacious. You know, it still feels like a giant is dribbling on you, and that is way better than just not showering at all. But we are so excited about having a real shower. Like, we can just turn the water on, we can stand under there. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be like, I might even wash my hair like multiple times. And it's gonna be super hot, and I'm gonna have a long ass shower, people. Long ass shower. It's gonna be great. And I have noticed this week, it's kind of a trend, us girlies are starting to feel like, you know, maybe it's time to maintain ourselves within this quarantine thing. So I'm gonna be doing my hair, I'm gonna do my nails, so I stop looking like an absolute bloke. And yeah, I'm pretty excited. But now I gotta do the garbage. I gotta call the hotel to make sure that we can get in just a tad early. And yeah, that is it. I'm feeling a gajillion times better than I did yesterday. Yesterday, remember, I was like, oh, I don't know, I feel so antsy, I'm irritated, yada yada. Well, today, all of that is gone. And I think it's probably because I woke up, I put coffee on straight away. I got up pretty early, and that's right, people, no shame in my game. I went to Spotify and I looked up the TikTok 2020 playlist and boogied on down whilst making breakfast and whilst eating it also. So I'm feeling good today. I told you it would pass. I knew it would, but I'm glad that it's passed now. So we're over that. It may come back, but I hope not. So let's go forth, my peoples. Let's go forth. Okay, as you can probably tell, it's super dark outside, and we just went from being super light in the last clip to super dark. Today we've been here at the Wingate here in Harkin, and honestly, I've just been doing a bunch of work on the laptop. It's been pretty nice. Definitely took advantage of that shower thing. I did my hair, so feeling a little more human, as is Walter. Now, not only did we come here because we just wanted to take a shower and relax in a different setting, But right now, the rates here are insane. And I even looked into the rates for like the weekend, for like tomorrow night, a Friday night, $50. It's normally triple that. So I guess they're just trying to keep things low because they know that people are coming into town. This town seems to be pretty busy right now, to be honest with you. There are trailers in the back of in the back parking lot with a ton of off-road vehicles and stuff. So because they've opened that park back up again, I have a feeling we're going to be seeing the park at its full capacity again. Now, I don't know how that is going to work out because they did that last weekend and they had to cut people off from coming in because they were over capacity. I mean, the RV part was completely full, and then people were camping on the beach when they're not supposed to camp on the beach, and apparently it was just a bit of a hot mess express. So I'm hoping that people are, respectful and, so that we can just keep the park open for everyone. That would be nice. But as I said, I've honestly just been doing a ton of work today. It's been a quiet day. It's been really nice. A different setting. It's nice because there's space for like the two of us to be comfortable like for the whole day. And we actually just grabbed something to eat from DQ, which is hilarious. Let me show you just how close it is to the Wingate. Let's take a little walk. So here we're at the front door for the hotel. Wow, it just got really freaking busy. Oh my gosh. And here's DQ. Now, we had to wait 45 freaking minutes in the line just to get some food. Insane. And it's next door. You can't just walk into these places. It's all drive-thrus. So we just waited that 45 minutes, which was pretty nice. And the rest of the evening, I'm going to get back on that laptop. I'm going to be doing a bunch more work. But before I finish this out, I have a question for you guys. Yesterday you heard that I am working on some more merchandise. And I just have one question. There's one t-shirt design that I would love to do, but I don't know if it's worth doing. I say frickle frackle a lot. I don't know where it came from, but frickle frackle is definitely high up there in my vocab. So I was thinking of maybe making a t-shirt design with frickle frackle and the logo in it. Now I need you guys to leave a comment and let me know yay or nay. I am so on the fence about this one. So on the fence. I've had people say to me, yeah, you should definitely do it. That's so cool. Like you always say that. And then I've had people say, oh, yeah. So I want to hear feedback from you guys about that for sure before I make a move. And if I do decide to make a move, it's probably going to be a limited edition t-shirt. So let me know. Anywho, I do have to get upstairs. My arm is hurting a lot from holding this. So if you guys are enjoying this channel, you know what you have to do. You have to subscribe, like, leave me a comment about anything. Go watch the other episodes. Tell me what you're thinking. And definitely let me know about that t-shirt design. And don't forget the notification bell. If you are looking for Mischief Maker stickers or hats right now, you can find it at www.women-wheelers.com. Again, thank you guys so much for all of your support. You've seen today that I had to run to the post office and put out a fair amount of packages, to be honest with you. I think today I sent out 12 hats alone. So amazing, absolutely amazing. Again, very humbled. And yeah, that is it. I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm feeling pretty energetic and I'm feeling like I'm gonna get a ton of stuff done tonight. So until tomorrow, guys, I will see you later.